The AH-1W Super Cobra is the U.S. Marines attack helicopter. It is supplied by Bell Helicopter Textron and entered service in 1985. As well as the U.S. Marine Corps, the Super Cobra is operational with the Turkish Land Forces and the Armed Forces of Taiwan. First flight of the AH-1Z took place in December 2000. The AH-1W entered low-rate initial production in October 2003 with deliveries to be carried out until 2018. 5 AH-1W helicopters were remanufactured to AH-1Z standard and took part in flight testing at NAS Patuxent River, Maryland. Sea trials in May 2005 included the first shipboard landing on USS Bataan, Wasp-class amphibious assault ship. Developmental testing was completed in February 2006 and two test aircraft began operational evaluation, or OPEVAL, with the USMC in May 2006. The first production AH-1Z helicopter was delivered to the USMC in January 2007. In November 2010, the AH-1Z was approved for the full-rate production. Initial operating capability of the AH-1Z Cobra took place in February 2011. Northrop Grumman developed the integrated avionics systems for the AH-1Z. The systems include two mission computers and an automatic flight control system with 4-axis stability control augmentation system. Each crew station has two 8 inches into 6 inches multifunction displays and one 4.2 inches into 4.2 inches dual function display, based on active matrix liquid crystal color technology. The displays are supplied by L3 Rigdized Command and Control Solutions. Smiths Aerospace supplied the weapon stores control and data transfer system. The communications suite combines the new U.S. Navy RT-1824 integrated radio, UHF-VHF, COMSEC and modem in a single unit. The navigation suite includes an embedded GPS inertial, a low airspeed air data subsystem, which allows weapons delivery when hovering, and a digital map. In June 2002, Thales Avionics Top-Owl helmet-mounted display system was chosen for the USMC AH-1Z. The first system was delivered in January 2003. Top-Owl, also fitted on Tiger, NH-90 and Ruivac helicopters, has integrated Gen 4 image intensifier and FLIR capability and provides transition from day to night use at the push of a button. The Super Cobra can carry both BGM-71 TOW and AGM-114 Hellfire anti-armor missiles and is qualified to carry the Maverick missile. It is equipped with a semi-active laser seeker and has a range of 7 kilometers. The Super Cobra has fire and forget capability when firing the Hellfire missile in cooperative mode with laser target illumination. The Super Cobra was the first attack helicopter to qualify both the Sidewinder air-to-air missile and the Sidearm anti-radiation missile. Both missiles can use the same LAU-7 rail launcher. Sidearm has a range of more than 15 kilometers. The Super Cobra can fire the Hydra family of unguided 70mm rockets or the larger 127mm Zuni rocket bombs. Since 2008, all units are armed with the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System, or APKWS, a guided version of the Hydra. The Super Cobra carries a 3-barrel, 20mm Gatling gun for close-range engagement and 750 rounds of ammunition. With the gun in a fixed forward position, the pilot can aim by maneuvering the helicopter. Either crew member can slave the turret to the helmet-mounted sight and aim the gun by looking at the target. Targeting for the AH-1W is provided by the Night Targeting System, or NTS, jointly produced by Tamim Division of Israel Aircraft Industries Limited and Colesman. NTS integrates a forward-looking infrared which provides automatic target tracking with a laser designator, rangefinder and video recorder. Lockheed Martin developed a longer-range AN/AAQ-30 target sight system, or TSS, for the AH-1Z to replace the NTS. TSS includes a third-generation 4-field of view FLIR based on a 3 to 5 micron steering array, CCD color TV, Colesman iSafe laser rangefinder, designator and multi-target auto tracker. L3 Communications Westcam supplies the turret assembly. Longbow International is developing the Cobra radar system for the AH-1Z based on the Longbow millimeter wave radar on the AH-64D Apache. Cobra is a pod-based radar that can be mounted on a wingtip or in a stow's position. Cobra can automatically search, detect, classify and prioritize multiple moving and stationary targets. It has a range of 8 km against moving and 4 km against stationary targets. The H-1 Super Cobra upgrade includes the provision of a new electronic warfare suite. A new radar warner, the AN/APR-39XE2 from Lockheed Martin, replaces the Lockheed Martin AN/APR-39V2 Pulse radar warner and the AEL Industries AN/APR-44 Continuous Wave radar warner. The helicopters currently in service with the U.S. Marines are equipped with the APR-39V2 Digital Radar Warning Receiver, or RWR, provided by Northrop Grumman. The receiver will be replaced with Northrop Grumman's APR-39DV2 RWR, which is designed to provide improved situational awareness through interactive management of the countermeasures and sensors on board the helicopter. The ATKAN-AAR-47 missile warning system was included in the upgrade suite. AN/AAR-47 uses infrared detectors to detect the missile plume. The Goodrich AN/AVR-2A laser warning receiver was also added. The infrared countermeasures system is the AN/ALQ-144A developed by BAE Systems IEWS. The helicopter is also equipped with the AN/ALE-39 chaff and infrared flare dispenser manufactured by BAE Systems Integrated Defense Solutions and Lockheed Martin Tactical Defense Systems. Twin General Electric T700GE401 turboshaft engines provide a total of 2,410 kilowatts. In standard conditions, with an air-to-air ordnance load, the Super Cobra can take off and climb out at more than 4.1 meters per second on only one engine. It can hover out of ground effect at 914 meters with a load of 4 TOW and 4 Hellfire missiles, full turret ammunition and rockets. The helicopter can climb at the rate of 8.2 meters a second. The maximum and cruise speeds of the helicopter are 388 km per hour and 274 km per hour respectively. The range and service ceiling are 648 km and 3,720 meters respectively. The maximum endurance of the helicopter is 3 hours and 30 minutes. The helicopter weighs around 4,953 kilograms and the maximum takeoff weight is 6,690 kilograms.